Hey guys, hope you are all having an amazing Sunday. Today I wanted to make a short little video on GameStop. I guess many people have been wanting an update on the company. Not much has happened since the last time we talked about it, but there has been some stuff we will now go over. Before we start, please help the channel out and hit the like button. I have some pretty cool things coming up in my Discord soon enough, come join us. We have a nice group of people there, and if you are still viewing this channel, you must definitely be a fan of the channel, and what better place to be in than the hub where the rest of similarly minded investors and day traders are. The Discord is free to join and the invite is linked in the pinned comment below. So, let's begin with the big news that came out. GameStop is quitting crypto. The launch of GameStop's NFT marketplace was awful. The timing of it was not only late, but perfectly coincided with the beginning of that market pullback seen in early 2022. We saw crypto significantly weaken and NFT sales plummet during that time frame. That was a low blow to GameStop, and apparently, the company doesn't see a profitable outlook in the future, because on January 18th, GameStop posted a notice on their NFT website that they would be winding down their NFT marketplace, citing regulatory uncertainty of the crypto space in general. Sourcing this from news is came through on Seeking Alpha. The video game retailer said that as of February 2nd, customers will no longer be able to buy, sell or create NFTs on the platform. GameStop did say that NFTs will still be on the blockchain and will remain accessible and saleable through other platforms. As I said earlier, the Texas-based company dived into crypto in January of 2022 when it created a NFT division with a staff of 20 people. However, the NFT marketplace got off to a slow start and was pared back in less than a year. In general, the non-fungible token market has seen a substantial decline from its peak, with monthly trading activities down more than 97% from the NFT high point, according to Cryptopolitan. I saw some people taking this as a bad thing, but in my opinion, it was the right move. Listen, when something isn't working out, when you know you can't compete in the marketplace, it's better to simply pull the plug on the project and redirect funds to better alternatives. Cohen is set to invest in equity securities with nearly $1 billion in funding. I have seen many people saying that this is a very risky move considering Ryan Cohen has taken incredibly risky investments in the past, and I have said that is indeed something to keep in mind, but until we know exactly where those assets will be, I won't waste time being negative about it. There is no basis to be negative because if invested correctly, with $1 billion on a proven ETF that yields say somewhere between 5 and 10%, GameStop could see nearly $50 million to $100 million cash coming in yearly, which will significantly decrease the risk they take on, beholden that these funds are utilized to both enhance investments and fund new business ventures. GameStop's best days could 100% be ahead of them if the investment decisions made by Ryan Cohen are both sound, safe and proper. Do the numbers yourself. The company has virtually no debt outside that of one with the French government. The company does have significant challenges ahead though. I made a video yesterday that you must see. In it, I talked about Microsoft's new subscription-based model for their business. Microsoft is no longer as much as trying to sell you a console as much as they are trying to sell you Game Pass. Given smart TV capabilities are increasing and Game Pass apps are being integrated in them such as Netflix and Amazon Prime, having consoles is quickly turning out to be a thing of the past. It could be argued, and there have been rumors on this as well by industry insiders, that the next generation of Xbox consoles will not come with a disc tray, and if that's the case, Sony's PlayStation will follow through as well. GameStop has a serious challenge ahead given that they are already seeing decreased video game sales. If next-generation consoles, which by the way are due out in less than 4 years, don't come with disc trays, GameStop's video game business is essentially obsolete. What happens right now with those $1.2 billion cash on hand will determine if this company lasts 5 years or not. In my opinion, they have now the ability to transition into a holding company. This is, in my opinion, by far the best potential move for this retail store. Transitioning businesses to that of a holding company while retaining and trying to grow sales on their website to compete with Amazon on more things than just video games is the best move. Seriously, GameStop made close to $6 billion in revenue in 2022, with gross profits at around $1.372 billion. This year they are estimating gross profits to be $1.374 billion. The margins on profitability will rise significantly if the investment made is sound and relatively safe. Again, growth would be amazing, but having some dividend income investments could supply GameStop with the much-needed cash on hand to really solidify and expand their website business. If there is one thing I need you coming out of this video with, is the fact that GameStop can be long-term successful. They are set to close fiscal 2023 profitable, but we also must understand we have a serious timeline, no more than 5 years to be honest, where this company must find a new business model to transition, or it's over. I want safe sound investments made by Ryan Cohen, not YOLO investments in 2 or 3 stocks that could blow up like Bed Bath & Beyond. Putting money on something like Apple, Microsoft, Meta, QQQ, the JP Morgan ETFs that yield near 10% dividend cash payouts, those are the investments I want to see, not something weird like Nordstrom or a struggling company. GameStop can survive, and if it does through good investments, I will switch from being bullish to being overly bullish, because at that point, beholden the investments are good, profitable and are able to finance GameStop's new ventures, the best days of the company will no longer be thought of as part of the past, but upwards in front of us, in the future. Fellas, let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. As always, I welcome all types of opinions from the cynical bearish to the deluded optimist. Tell me what you think below. Help me boost this channel up by hitting the like button, and I don't know, share the video with a relative or friend. Even better, why don't you come join my Discord, linked in the pinned comment below. If you are investing in GameStop, you should be part of a group of people that love investing overall, and we honestly have the best community for that. It's a very active server with day trade alerts, long-term investment conversations, educational material and much more. Much like GameStop, this Discord's best days are ahead, to come in and join us already. Have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow morning after the market opens, as I will be live day trading and interacting with you guys, to the moon.